Oh my God! Oh, look at! What is the size of you? My arm is not good. Yes!
Finally!
Monster! Drag mo, drag. Catfish, okay, surffish. Video na. Meron na. Oh, first fish. Ayos! The struggle of doing videos. Lot of stuff to bring, lots of stuff to consider. Tapos ang malasakit, walang mahuhuli. Sige, go! Okay ako. O yan, may upuan pa. Yan, yung sinasabi kong pwesto. So guys, we are at Lockport right now. Got something already or just starting? Oh, okay. tayo. Diyan sila eh, dito tayo. Ano yan? Game na. What's up guys? Good morning. Today we are at Lockport right now. I am with AJ and we are trying to target for catfish. Hopefully today's the day that we get our very first master angler catfish. We're just hoping for the best. For some of you who are returning and checking up on us, thank you very much for the support. And if you're new to the channel, please do hit the subscribe button for you to join me on my adventures. So join us. Let's go. Let's get this party started. Again, I'm using my AccuDepth Daiwa. 3 ounce weight. This is like a Caroline rigs setup. I have 65 pound braid. I don't know what size of hook this is, but yeah, hopefully this gets the job done. Yeah. Kita mo ba yan? Kita yung kutsilyo ko? Laki, diba? Okay. So now, this is our bait. We're using the Goldeye. Yeah, this is frozen. Gasa muna natin. Yeah. Tapos mami biglang gumalaw, no? Okay. So, cut this thing off. What I heard, need to take out the scales daw para daw mas umamoy. That's what I said. Ang laki kasi ng ano natin eh. O yan, try mo na to. Okay, let's try it. Dito sila karamihan nakapwesto eh. Yeah. So, first cast. Okay. Testing. Yan. Let's see if... Ayan, pwede naman pala eh. Now, the waiting game begins. Okay. Ang hihanda natin ay... Ito. Nasa ipang sukat, Yel. Akin na. Lagyan natin dito yung ano natin. Para madali natin ano yan. Yan. Okay. And then you are here. Yan. You are going to be with me.
A few moments later.
Meron na. Oh, first fish. Ayos! Ganyan Yil ah. Meron? Oo eh. Lapit ka. Lapit ka. Nice. First fish na. Pucha. Not even like 5 minutes here. Oh. Yeah, on mo na. Sige. Oh, yeah. Tsahanep mo muna na agad. Good job. Uy, ang laki. Nice, Yel. Op, ya muna. Wag, iha mo lang. Nice, Yel. Not even 5 minutes, my man. Oh, tirahin mo na. Nice, Yel. Nice. Oh, sukati. Shoo. Nice, Yel. 34. Master Angler, 34. Oh, good job. 1-0 na si Ariel, oh. Nice. Ilan? Oh, 30, 31. No. Oh, 32. 32. Nice, Yel. Oh, release. Release the boy. Hawakan mo sa katawan, tapos saka mo ihagis. Oh, bye-bye. Bye-bye. See ya. Bye-bye. Bye. Good job. So what we're trying to achieve right now is to land 34-inch or longer catfish. First, 32 inches. So that's the size to beat right now, 32 inches. So hopefully, we're not even 5 minutes here. We're not even 5 minutes. We just literally started. We just cast out and yeah, that's it. What's that? Drum? Nice. Our neighbors are catching their fish too. I think it's a good day to be out. I think. Come on. Mukhang masama itong pwesto ko. Putol. The leader is dead. So I'm gonna just switch leaders. Habaan ko lang siya ng konti. By the way, this is like 60-pound test of leader. And then 65-pound test is the main line. That's what I'm using right now. Let's go over there. So, like, this is the farthest that we've been. To, sa area na to. And so far, there's one that's pulling. Ito, Brad, mukhang this is what I'm looking for. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my God. Yeah. Let it play. Oh my God, nakita mo yun? I don't know what this is, but damn, it's big.
Crocodile.
It's a crocodile. Lumalaban eh. Oh, yeah. Oh, ayun oh. Yeah. I'm letting him run. Oh, cat. It's a cat. Ilang kaya? Bilis. Yeah! Okay, tig-isa na kami ni Ariel. Is it my very first master? I don't know. Let's see. Ay, lumaan na sa gilid. Barely hook. Oh my goodness.
He's aggressive.
Okay. You're aggressive, huh? You're strong, my boy. Yeah.
Yung nagwala.
So, no, it's 30 inches, guys. To release the Kraken. I'm gonna let you go now. You're going back. Sorry. I know, right? Oh, bye-bye na. Thank you. Thank you for playing. You're back in the water. Bye-bye. So, 30 inches. Talo ko.
Next one.
Next one. So one fish for both of us. The AJ had 32 minus 30. Let's see. And that one is an aggressive one. You guys say, no? Sumama lang. Yeah, so yeah. Let's see. I already lost like, well, actually, one rig pa lang naman. But cut off, well, hook wise, I already lost like 2. Yeah! Ah! Ay! Come on, man. Ay! Nawala! Buset! Nakita mo yung bend na yun? Ito sira uli na. Ilang kagat na tayo, Yel?
Ako na-miss ko isa.
Yeah, I missed. Ako, dalawa na nami-miss ko. Well, so far, never disappoints because we've been getting, good bites. It clearly shows that the fish are active. And the water is warm. So hopefully, one master angler-sized catfish will be, willing enough to play with us. Oops. 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 Ayan na. Bend na, boy. Kinakain na niya. Ayan na. Eat and be merry so that we all be happy. At least nawala na yung ulan. Kanina it's, raining a bit, but we're good. Ayun na. Yel, pindutin mo nga yung... Pindutin mo nga yung ano. Moment of truth. Yeah. Ay, pucha, ang bigat. Yeah. Oh, live people. Pucha, ang bigat. Sana ito na yun. Yeah. Sakit na ng kamay ko. Live people. Luki. It's my second fish. Ayan ang hirap kasi nag-fishing, walang kain. Yeah. Uy, laki. Ang laki ni Pogi. Ilang kaya yan, Yel? Ito na yun. Yeah. I think this is it. This is it. Ang taba mo, boy. Hey. Yeah. Teka lang. Yeah.
Look at that. Fast. Let's see.
Gamo rito, Yel. Oh, basta 34. It's yan. Uy. Yeah. Shoo. Yeah. Kulang, bitin. 33 inches. Wala, hindi. Release the boy. Thank you for playing. Bye. Bye-bye. Yeah. Earlier it's 30 and then it's 33. Woo. We're moving up. We are moving up. I am tired. Sakit sa braso, put. I will definitely be happy if we catch like one master angler. Kahit alin na sa atin dalawa. Uy! Teka, yan! Yan! Sige, bahala kayo! Yeah! Pero mo, maliit to. Ay, hindi! He's swimming towards us. Ay! Pucha, inano ko. Sinabit niya ako. Ay. Look. Sinabit niya ako. Sayang yun. Sa Raulo yun ah. I lost that one. It's a big one. He put me on the rocks. Nice. Nice, Yel. Lapit ka doon para kuha ka ng camera. Yan.
Silver bus, so what?
Again? Hila, Yel. Hila. Ayos. Good job.
Feel heavy now.
Yun, malaki. Holy crap. Double header, boys. Ay, wala. Bigat.
Anong arm ko?
34. Oy! Master! Uy! Ayun! Alright! Master angler, boys. Nice. First master angler ni Ariel. Nice. Okay na yan. Whew. Nice. First master angler. Whew. That's what a 34-inch looks like. All right. Thank you for playing with us. Nice, Yel. Good job. Okay, so first master angler for AJ. Yeah. Good job. Up. 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 Now this is the real thing. Yeah. Yan. Oh yeah. Isang 34 lang para makauwi na kami. At ang bigat. Yeah. Yeah. Ah. Ah. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Ayun. Oh my goodness. Ay. Holy crap.
How's your arm?
My arm is not good. Today's the day. Today is the day. Today is the day. Oh my god.
The day.
Yeah. Yes.
Finally.
Yes. Holy. I think this is it. My first master.
He beat his 30, ano yun kanina?
33.
33. Now it's 36. I bet it's 36.
Oh. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. I can't even.
Monster.
Oh. I can't even carry it. It's the moment of truth.
Lagi over na boy.
Oh. Now wait boy.
Over na.
35 and a half. 35 inches, boys. This is what a 35 inches looks like. Oh. Oh, I bit my baby. Okay. So we're going back, boy. 35 inches. Thank you. Sakit ng braso ko. Oh my god. Very first master angler cat. I've been like trying my very best since last year to catch one. So I think this year is that year. Yun na, hinihila na. Layan mo na. Yun. Nabayel? Ayan na. Yan na. Totoo yan. Totoo na to. One for the road. One for the road, man. Yeah, it is again. Pucha.
Another.
Holy crap. Oh my goodness. Masakit na naman ang braso ko nito. Nakita mo ba yan? Oh, ayun oh. Oh. Ayan, papunta siya rito. Ah. Isa pa! Oh! Yeah. Ah. Ah. Oh my God. Ah. Oh my God. Ah. Ah. Oh my God. Oh, laki. Ang laki. Ang laki ng ulo. Yan. Ang laki na laman.
Another one. Siguro mas malaki na to.
Ha? Yeah.
Gagi mas mahaba na yun.
Mas mahaba naman to?
Looks like it.
Hey, we are safe from the What is the size of you? Yes!
34.
34, my
Ano mataba
man!
yan?
Nakadalawa ka! Second one. Woo. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Release. Let's release you now, okay? Thank you for playing. Bye-bye. Bye. Whew.
One week later.
Morning, guys. So this is not really day 2, but this is our second trip out. As of the moment, same guys. And last time we were out, AJ and I was able to manage to land our very first master angler cat. And today, Aidan is with us. And our goal actually for today, complete my specialist badge. Hopefully, give you an update on what I'm using. I am using my Daiwa, the AccuDepth Shimano TRD rod, 65-pound braid for my main line, and then I have a monofilament leader of 60-pound test with 4 ounce of weight. This is actually for my catfish setup. Yeah, hopefully turns out well and we reach the goal. So stay with us, guys. I'm assuming drum. Is it? Drag mo, drag. Catfish, okay, first fish. Hindi na, okay na yan. Kaya mo na yan, oh.
Hindi pa ako mahawak na.
Wala, hindi ka, hawakan mo sa likod ng ano, sa likod nung para may barb. Parang pag ganun ng ano mo. Parang pag ganun, galing sa ulo, sa likod.
Galing sa ulo?
Yeah, oh, yan.
Ito.
Yan. Yan ang hawak mo dyan. Hindi ka matutusok. Oh, Aidan got his first fish. Oh, alright, good.
Bye. See you later.
See you later. Wrong side, boy. So we move. We were able to acquire this very same spot that we're at last time. So, ha! Let's go. Let's go. Whew. Okay, move spot, boys. Well, to be honest, this is so far the best spot in this area. Although it's a bit low, as you can see. Look. But we're just gonna settle in. Oh, yan na agad. Oh, hinila na! Bilis! Bilis! Oh, ay! Okay, I'm sorry about the breathing because I just went walking back there, trying to find a parking space that we can, use to go down to where we are at right now, and they're already settled in there. So far, we already have 2 fish. They already have 2 fish. 1 small catfish in 1 drum. So, we're all good. Stay tuned for more. Hopefully, we get to reach the goal of catching or completing my specialist badge. It's already 9:20. So we've been here since 5. Well, we're one of the early birds here, but we caught some fish. But for me, nothing as of the moment. Yeah. Tingin mo! Oh, you're recorded, man. Yeah, sige.
Let's see if I can like.
Oh, sige. Ano? Masaya? Oh. Come on! So, we are letting him experience the thing. Ha? Sige, sige. Lumalok yan papunta sa'yo. No, it's too heavy.
What is that? Wow.
Gedan, hiladan. Oh, master to. It's a master, boy. Yes. Nice. Ano dan?
MA hindi ko.
All right.
I wanna carry it.
Can you?
Sige, the question is if you can carry it. Oh, go. Oh. Oh, carry it. Oh. I think it's a master. Ah. It's a 34. 34 on the dot. Puto, sakit sa katawan naman. Woohoo! Ayan, panoorin natin si Welcome back, Lawrence, to the channel, guys. Tignan natin kung paano yung setup niya. Pag-aralan natin.
Ilang beses na to?
Okay lang yun.
Natunan.
Oh, kaya mas maganda yun para syempre mas mas mabantot.
Kasi alam ko magkakaganito to eh. Binuksan.
Okay. Oh, so ganun. Okay.
May. Kami.
Ayun, okay. Ayun, ganun pala.
Paano?
Oh, okay. Tapos? So we learned something new today. From the master himself. Yan o, yan. Okay, let's see. Up. Holy. Meron. Oh, wanna try it? Yeah. Oh, sige, try mo. Sige. Oh.
Hawakan mo mic na maayos dun sa ano.
Oh, sige. Oh. Ano?
Hindi na malaban mic.
Malayo pa kasi. Ayan, oh.
Oh, yan, naka-video ka ngayon. Oh. Ako na.
No, let's do it together.
Sige, mo.
Oh, sige, oh. Oh, go.
I'll reel you.
Oh.
Mag-reel.
Sige, oh. Oh. Ako na! Baka masabi tayo! Wait. Ah! Ah! See? Ah! Wait! Ah! Kaya dito na siya lumalangoy. Pagod na ako. Oh, I think I got my fourth one. Yes! Woo! I think I got my fourth one. This fish is courtesy of Brother Lawrence. This is a courtesy of Brother Lawrence. Ow! Wala, maliit lang. 31. 31 inches. Oh. Okay. Double up with the master, oh. Panis. Bilisan nyo. Kawawa naman to isda na to. Right, so that wraps it up. This two-part video of catfishing. I'm just fortunate that I was able to catch one more master angler cat today, 134 and 131.5. So yeah, we're all good. The search and the hunt for the elusive master angler cat is still on. So hopefully we can, in a few weeks rather, we can catch the other two because I already have 3. So thank you very much for tuning in today, and to all of you new viewers, really appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button. To all my new subscribers, thank you for the support, and as always, you all take care, keep fishing. Oh yeah.